All right, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here with Natural Transplants in the Bethesda office, and I am psyched. I'm so excited. We have Matt back. We are 12 months after his initial surgery. We did a video on the first one, so thank you so much for doing this follow-up. I think this is awesome. You look incredible. I know we just talked, and you're psyched about it. And tell us how the year went, man.
Yeah, the year went really smooth. The recovery time went by pretty quick. It was really less than even 2 weeks. I was like totally back to normal. Couldn't really tell I had anything done.
Yeah.
And then I started seeing growth within like the third, fourth month. So started seeing the hair like along the hairline start to come in.
Yep.
And then really by like the 8th, 9th month is when it really started getting thick.
Yeah, that's when the fun happens. Yeah.
And then I was able to start styling it up, and then I saw like, wow, I have like a straight hairline back.
Right.
So the result came really early, and I've been very satisfied.
Awesome. And you were saying before you had to sort of style everything forward to cover it. Now you can sort of go back and up and change hairstyles and kind of do it however you want.
Exactly. Like now I'm not self-conscious about flipping my hair up.
Yeah.
Because I don't have any receding on the sides.
Yeah.
To have to cover up. So now when I flip it up, it's just all straight right there.
Yeah.
So it's
that's
really
awesome,
nice.
man. And then if you don't mind, I'm going to have you sort of just duck your chin a little bit and hold it for like 1 or 2 seconds. And then I'm going to have you look to the right, hold that for like 1 or 2 seconds. And we did some temple work as well too. And it changes, even just a little bit of temple work can make a big difference. And then look the other direction. There you go. And then that's awesome, man. And then we got a little glimpse of it. The back, you keep your hair pretty short. Right, probably around 2 guard. You could probably easily cover with a 3 guard. You're probably in between a 2 or 3. So if you cut it too short, you will see it. But overall, it's awesome. I love it.
Yeah.
How has it changed anything for you? Good, bad? You were saying that people are sort of noticing it from you.
Yeah, I've gotten some compliments, but I've told a few people, but nobody ever would have guessed that I got a transplant.
Yeah.
And they see, just because the hairline, I'll just kind of go closer. It just like looks natural. It's, it's straight, but it's, it has like the little kind of lines there. So it just looks totally natural. And I've only gotten compliments. And as far as like how it's changed my life, I don't think about my hair too much. I just style it. It takes a couple minutes to do, and that's it. I don't think about it.
That's the way it should be.
Yeah, one less thing to worry about.
Very cool, very cool. And at some point we talked about, you down the road you may want to do a second one just to sort of give it a little bit more pop, or if you lose more hair. And sometimes you need a second coat of paint on a wall. Sometimes 1 coat of paint works. I don't think you need it, but at some point if you want to just really pack it in and make it, give an additional 30 to 40% density, you can. But it looks awesome, man.
Thank you. I appreciate it, and really appreciate
I love it.
All that's done for me. Really.
Thanks, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. And thank you for sharing your story with everybody. Hopefully this will help somebody out. And Matt, we'll keep in touch. All right.
Thanks.
All right,
Thanks
bye.
so much.
Take care, man.
Take care.
Bye.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.